have a HEMI engine in your vehicle, driving a Challenger, a Charger, a Ram, RT, a Chrysler 300, any of those vehicles running that HEMI, then this slide is for you. If you're rolling a HEMI in any vehicle right now, it is developing sludge. It will have a sludge problem that will create a loss of power, a temperature rise. Eventually, you'll develop a low-end knock. How about some more power, longer life, and less mechanical issues? There's a product that's industrial in nature, made for aerospace. It's been used by NHRA, NASCAR, Indy, USAC, and many other motorsport record holders for the same reason that it will help your HEMI perform better and last longer. Nanomolecular hydrocarbon technology. It's been around for over 30 years. It was designed for aerospace, NASA, and in the military. It is an incredible industrial product that will remove friction, lower operating temperature, and improve the oil pressure on your vehicle. HEMIs, 5.9 Dodges, 5.3 Chevys with their lifter problem, 2.7 Chryslers with their lifter problem. The durable hydrocarbon molecule is electrostatically attached to the metals in your vehicle's engine, transmission, anywhere in the drive line. This will allow a removal of friction, a lowering of operating temperature, and a cleaning of the metals so the sludge is no longer in the engine or capable of reforming in the engine. Do you hear a noise? Jilcat Proline and Petron Plus, they have a kit to stop the sludge damage. It's going to increase your oil pressure. It's going to reduce friction. It's going to lower the operating temperature. And by reducing the friction, it's going to increase your horsepower. It's an incredible product. There's a HEMI Help Kit that's available. You can go to our website, jilcatproline.com, or you can call the 855-825-2111 to place an order. You'll get 3 bottles of the Petron Plus engine conditioner, 1 bottle of Chrysler Plus 4 transmission conditioner, and 1 bottle of the fuel system conditioner. You'd use 2 bottles of the engine conditioner current right now, put the transmission supplement into the transmission. I always take about an ounce of the transmission supplement and add it into the power steering fluid, and then put the fuel system conditioner in the gas tank with a full tank of gas, and then drive the vehicle immediately after you've added the supplements in there for 30 or 40 miles. You'll have an extra bottle of engine conditioner that I would add in after the next oil change to help reinforce the molecular process and the hydrocarbon molecules that are in the engine. And now your engine will have full oil pressure. It will have increased horsepower or better fuel economy, and it will last quite a bit longer because the friction is reduced, the operating temperature has been lowered, and your oil pressure is returned to the manufacturer's specs.